Most Indian students have been learning and speaking English for many years, but when it's time to speak, they feel nervous. Why does this happen? First, English is treated as a subject. In many schools, English is only treated as an exam subject and not as a communication skills. So, students focus on marks, textbook answer, and memorization. But honestly, all of these cannot help build your communication. That is why Indian students lag behind when they have to speak in front of someone. Second is fear of judgment. Many Indian students are afraid that they would be judged. What if people laugh? Or what if pronunciation goes wrong? What if my fluency is not good enough like others? And many other questions to ourselves. Now, if we constantly keep thinking that what others will think, then we can really not survive, right? Because others will always keep thinking and maybe keep laughing, but it's our thing that we have to not be afraid to be judged and we have to start talking. Next is too much important to accent. Now, many Indian students think that only a foreign accent means good English, but that's wrong. Everyone has his or her own accent, and fluency is more important, honestly. Fluency and confidence. So, do not give too much importance to your accent. Instead, try to speak fluently and confidently in front of someone. Lack of daily exposure. Now, many students use their speaking capability only in exams or in certain exposed areas. But honestly, daily practice or daily exposure is a must and it's really beneficial as well. For example, debates, public speaking, elocution, impromptu, etc. So the maximum or the more you give yourself the exposure, daily exposure, the more will your language also improve. The last but not the least, perfectionism. So many students wait for perfect confidence, perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation before everything. But fluency does not come before practicing, and all of this can only be attained when you start speaking yourself. So actually, the Indian students do not have the lack of intelligence or the lack of capability to speak English. It's just the fear of being judged, lack of exposure, and the pressure from the society to sound perfect. So comment down what problems have you faced, and to the next video, take care and bye bye.